Hey guys, today we'll start with a new topic that is tuples. Now, we have given a brief introduction of what is tuples in our previous videos. If you have seen one on data types, which is sequence data types, where we have discussed specifically on tuples. Now we'll go into more details on tuples and try to understand various ways in which how you can perform operations on tuples. We'll see how to update tuple. We can see how we can access tuple, or you can loop through tuples, or you can join tuples. Yeah, we'll see some of the built-in function as well as methods in tuples. We'll also see how we can delete tuples. Yeah, so we'll see all kind of operations that we can do through tuples. Yeah. Now, for an understanding, what tuple is one of the built-in data types in Python. Yeah. Now, a Python tuple is a sequence of comma separated items, same as we had for list. Only difference is list is mutable. Yeah. And it is the elements are enclosed within square brackets. Whereas tuple, the elements are enclosed within parentheses. That is this kind of brackets. Yeah. You can, as if we try to compare with list, tuple can be accessed through a unique indexing that starts from 0 if you started from left and goes on till the number of elements that it has. Yeah. In Python, tuple and list both are sequences. You need to understand that. Even sets are sequences, but we are just concentrate on tuples as of now. So one major difference between the two is Python is list is mutable, whereas tuple is immutable. When I'm talking about immutability, you can access elements within the tuple through index, but you cannot modify, remove, or add anything in tuple. So there is no extend function or no append function which is related to tuple as we had for list. Yeah. For C++ who have worked on Java, the array elements must be of same type. So on the other end, Python tuple does not need the same data types. Yeah. Usually, if I have to create a tuple, what I'll do is I'll just create elements within the parenthesis. Yeah, this can be a tuple, or this is mix of numbers and text, whereas this can be a tuple as well, all numbers. Yeah, or I can have tuple of all characters, A, B, C, comma, D. Yeah, or I can have more complex tuple being created, like I could have a decimal number or a Boolean value. Yeah. Or I can have a negative number, or I can have a complex number. Please refer to my previous video so that you can understand what is complex number in the data types. Yeah. So you can create tuple by anyhow, by any kind of data type within it as an element. Yeah. Either it be text, it could be number, integers, it could be decimal, it could be just characters, or it could be complex numbers. So these are all tuples, unless and until they are enclosed within parentheses. Yes. Now tuples, you can have empty tuples as well. What you can do is tuple 1 is equal to parenthesis. You do not need to add any kind of elements. Yes, so that is empty tuples. You can have only one element as tuple. But you need, but a comma needs to be added. Yeah, there. So if I have one and I have only one element that is named Rohan or any kind of number, yeah, I need to add comma, yeah, even though I have only one element within them. Yes, or it will give me an error. You'll see this. It has taken it. Now, if I try to find out type of tuple 1, see what happens. It is considering it as a string, not a tuple. Whereas if I add a comma, in order to make it consider as a tuple, I have to add a comma. Now let's see what it shows me, the type. It is tuple. So if you do not add comma next to the element, if you are adding only one element within the tuple, it will be considered as a string. And accordingly, the relevant functions or method would be applicable. So you need to be careful on this when you are adding just one element within the tuple. Yeah. So what all things that you will see in our next videos is accessing tuple elements, update tuple elements, yeah, unpacking tuples, loop through tuple elements. We'll see some join operations on tuple. We'll see tuple methods and built-in function. Yeah. What else? We'll see how to delete tuples. Yes. Yes, this all things we'll see. One more thing that you need to remember is, let me show you one more thing is, so any set of multiple objects which is comma separated, written without identifying symbol, that is brackets or parentheses, by default they are considered as tuples. Yeah. So any multiple objects, if they are not enclosed within parentheses or any kind of braces, they are considered as tuple. Yeah. So suppose I have this element x comma y equals to 1 comma 2. Yeah. And I'll say print value value of x and y. Yes, that is x comma y. So if I do not specify a particular thing, so suppose I will, what I'll do is I will create uh, some complex object like this tuple, or I'll say print. I just not put it within any kind of brackets. These brackets are for tuples. Huh? Sorry, for the print statement. So please be careful. So you'll find the object is automatically enclosed within tuple, enclosed as tuple. Yeah. So any set of multiple objects, comma separated, written without identifying symbols, are automatically considered as tuple. Yeah. Let me show you one more thing. Right. Oh, sorry. I was just trying to get if I am able to get the type of it, which I guess not, but I'll try this one once again. No, I will not give it this. So it has printed the statement, but you can see here that it is enclosed within curly braces automatically. Not curly braces, but parentheses automatically. Yeah. So if I do not specify that it is a tuple and I give a set of multiple values, comma separated, then it will automatically be defaulted to tuples. Yeah. So you need to remember this. So let's jump on quickly on how to access tuples. We'll see that in a subsequent video. Hope you understood the concept of tuples in this short video. Hope you like this. Do refer to my previous videos on the sequence data types where you'll see some more example on tuples. But if you follow this tutorials on tuples properly, you will get the entire concept very clearly. Hope you like this video. Do like, share it with your friends so that they get this information. Yeah. Do comment on this video if you find this information helpful. Also, if you find anything uh, which will add to this content, do write it in the comment so that my viewers could see it and learn from it. The idea behind preparing this videos is to have a free learning in detail about this concept, which no one will teach you in 1 or 2 hours. Yeah. Do share this video across with to your friends. Do comment it. Do subscribe to my channel. That's more important so that you get such kind of videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.